Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 10th June 2025. The Reserve Bank of India's interest rate cut is poised to significantly benefit non-banking finance companies by expanding their margins due to reduced funding costs. Easing of norms on unsecured loans and lower risk weights will facilitate increased bank lending to NBFCs, boosting their lending activities. Investors have responded positively, driving up NBFC stock prices. The Reserve Bank of India has amended the qualifying asset requirement under paragraph 8.1 of the Master Directions for NBFC-Microfinance Institutions. This revision is aimed at reinforcing the core operational focus of such institutions on microfinance activities. Under the revised norms, NBFC-MFIs are now required to ensure that at least 60% of their total assets, excluding intangible assets, constitute qualifying assets on an ongoing basis. This change ensures that a substantial portion of the institution's portfolio remains aligned with microfinance objectives. The Securities and Exchange Board of India has notified an extension to the additional liquidation period granted to venture capital funds migrating to the regulatory framework under the SEBI Alternative Investment Funds Regulations 2012. As per the latest notification, the deadline for availing the additional liquidation period has been extended from July 19, 2025 to July 19, 2026. This one-year extension provides additional time for venture capital funds to complete their transition to the alternative investment fund regime in a structured and compliant manner. Zee Entertainment acquires stake in startup Bullet to launch a microdrama app offering short, creator-driven content. The app, integrated with ZEE5, targets mobile-first users with high-quality, bite-sized entertainment across languages to boost digital reach and monetization. Fintech major Cred has raised Rs 617 crore or $72 million in a fresh funding round at a valuation of $3.5 billion. This was done at a lower valuation compared to $6.4 billion at which the startup was valued in 2022 during its last major fund infusion. Cred's round comes close on the heels of another fintech, Grow, closing a major pre-IPO funding round, which was also led by GIC. The company is in the final stages of closing $200 million fund infusion, which would value the wealth management platform at around $6.5 billion. Jio BlackRock Asset Management has appointed its leadership team and launched its website, along with an early access initiative inviting users to explore its digital-first investment platform. The fund house aims to offer innovative, data-driven products at competitive prices. Backed by Jio Financial Services' local reach and BlackRock's global expertise, it plans to make investing more accessible and affordable in India.
This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.